Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam, and today I'm going to cover the second part of my video lecture, which earlier on I delivered on how to maintain students' record. So, before I proceed further, I'm going to make a request to you that if video is blurred, you are requested to enhance video quality. Okay. So there is a setting button on video frame, a wheel shape button. Just click on it and select the highest pixel size. Now this is the actual award list. Usually we prepare two types of award list. Okay, and just a while. So one data is maintained for teacher, as you can see here. This is known as full assessment sheet. So at the top you can write controller of examinations or name of the university, then college name, department, discipline, subject, psycholinguistics, semester, that is 5th semester, or even you can write down name of the session, then instructor's name, credit hours, and subject code. Then these are the columns, as you can see, detail of session work. So from here up to this place I have shown detail of session work. So session work is of 20% weightage with us in our university, and exams are 80%. So session work is further divided into three chunks, that is presentation and class test, assignment / seminar, and quiz and viva. So this weightage have been assigned by me, that is 6%, 6%, and 8%. Actually, university has given us a free hand to the teacher, but total should be 20%. That is sessional work. Let me magnify here for you. So here total should be 20%. However, a teacher has the prerogative or a free will to give different weights to these things. Like I have decided that presentation should be 3%, test should be 3%. So total is 6%. So here I have given maximum weight to quiz and viva. So I can also change it. So this is how we maintain session work, and then these four columns show total grading, like session work 20%, midterm 30%, terminal 50%, and grand total is 100%. Now you can enter names of students, okay, roll numbers, etc. Usually I prepare a 40 cells. Let me show you the next sheet, which is called award list, and this is sent to local controller office and as well as to the university. So in this sheet I have shown 40 rows, as you can see. Actually you need to prepare it once for all. In first semester we enrolled 40 students, so as per the strength of 40 students I have designed this sheet so that we don't have to make many changes. So always prepare this sheet. It's I think let me check the paper size. Yes, it is a legal paper size, that is 8.5 into 14 inches. So it's a big sheet, and on this sheet you can design it, and at the end, as you can see, we have shown past number of students who have passed the exam, number of students who have failed the exam, total number of students. Then we have paper held date, and then instructor's signature, that is teacher concerned, exam coordinator, that is controller of exam signature, and then at the end head of department signature, and clearance officer asked, that is Ottawa University of Science and Technology. So so this is the actual sheet which is submitted to the controller office. So again I have shown college name, discipline, all the the whole of the detail which has been shown on the previous sheet should be shown here. So in my previous video I have explained this sheet with the all the formulas. Everything is automatic. Okay, whenever we change an item, other items will be changed. Now how can we produce the second sheet? Second sheet is linked. Let me show you. This is the name of a student. Let me magnify for you. Okay, let's see. Here is a student, English 16-01 Sahara. Now we want to see how many marks did she get in presentation and class test combined. So we are going to click here. Okay, now just put an equal sign like this. Now this, you can see at the taskbar at the bottom of the screen that it is sheet 2, which is right now in front of you. Okay, after putting equal sign here, just click on sheet number 1. Okay, wait a while here. Now let me again check. Yes, sheet, just a minute. So equal sign and then go to sheet number 1, and against the name of the student, just a minute, here is a student Sahara. So click here. So you can see a rectangular box is blinking. When you go back to the sheet 2, so this score 4.1 has been transferred there. Okay, just a minute, let me again click. Okay, now I'm going to put equal sign. Let me take you back to this sheet. Now again go and press enter button. When this rectangular shape appears, press enter button, and now you are back here automatically. So that score has been shifted here. Okay, now drag it down and all the students will receive their score. Now if you want to reconfirm, as you can see, Sahara has got 4.1 out of 6. Okay, and Ukasha has got 4.3 out of 6. This is presentation and class test combined. So in order to check whether the same scores have been transferred to the next sheet, go back to previous sheet, sheet 1, 4.1 and 4.3. Let's check. 4.1 and 4.3. These two have been transferred. It means all the scores have been transferred. Now presentation was of 50 marks and test was of 40 marks. Total marks were 90. This student Sahara, she got a total of 62 out of 90, and the weight was 6%. So out of 6 she got 4.1 out of 6. So we can see this score has been shifted here. Now let's see how much she has got from assignment and seminar. Again click here and enter equal sign. Okay, now go to sheet 1, and now you are here. Sarah's score in assignment and seminar. This is the score. Click here. Now press enter button on your keyboard. See, you are back here. 4.2 has been shifted here. Now drag it down and you can see every score from sheet 1 has been transferred onto sheet 2. So and even you can check the formula. Here is the formula: sheet 1 sign of exclamation K12. K12 is the cell number, okay, which is in sheet number 1. So score has been picked from K12 cell. Let me show you K12 cell. This is K and this is K12. See, K12. This score has been shifted. Now the last column from full assessment sheet is this one, 8, that is quiz and viva score. Let me take you back to sheet number 2. First come here and enter equal sign. Okay, then go back to sheet number 1. Okay, now here you want to transfer this score 5.3 to the next sheet. Now it is already after you have clicked, it is now blinking. Now press enter button like this. So the score quiz and viva together combined score has been shifted here. Now drag it down so that the same result, the same application, the same formula may be applied to other student scores. So see, this sheet is being prepared automatically. Now total, now 20, that is presentation and class test 6, assignment and seminar 6, quiz and viva 6. Now total. So just click here and now insert equal sign, go back to sheet 1. Okay, and you need to watch the previous video in which I have shown how I have automatically calculated all this. Now click here, selected. Now press enter button. Now you are back here. So second sheet is quite easy to maintain for controller office. And now 30 equal sign, go back to sheet 1, that is full assessment sheet. This is the midterm score of students. Select and then press enter button. You are back here. Now drag it down and it is applied to every cell. Now last is terminal exam. Okay, so click here. Now press equal sign, that is enter equal sign. You are now in sheet 2. Okay, now go back to sheet 1 so that you can transfer result from sheet 1, that is this. So I have clicked here. Now this circle is blinking. Now press enter button. Now you are back. So now that score from sheet 1 against midterm exam has been transferred here. And here is the last one. Click equal button, then go back to sheet 1. Now click here, enter, but press enter button. Now you are back. So your second sheet, which has to be presented to local controller, is now ready, as you can see. Now all the scores of Sahara, Kasha, Fiza, Akram, Shiraz, Mariam, they have been transferred into summary of result or award list, and now you can print it out. Okay, so in order to see whether what type like here, up till here you can select, go to button, this office button, and check the print preview. So this is the print preview. So this can be printed. It's a legal document. Okay, and you, after printing, you can write down number of past students failed and affix your signature. So hope you have got an idea how to prepare this award list for. Now what is the benefit of this automatic data? Let's say you change score of any student in full assessment sheet, this sheet. So all the changes will happen in the next sheet as well. Let's say some student wants to wish to be given another test, and in the second test, instead of 25, he or she gets, let's say 39 marks. Okay, let's say 39. You see, whenever I'm gonna change this result, so this result will change, and this result will change, and last result will change. So let me change the color so that I can show you how result changes. This is 14. Now this is 66, and now I'm going to change, even this will change. Okay, this is going to be changed. So let's say in another test, or when the student reappeared, now let's see, he or she got let's say 39 marks. Here I'm going to enter 39. Now see, this is now 76, automatically 5.1, and here is 15, here is 67. And when you go to next sheet, again it will have been changed, 67, as you can see here, 67. So now let me take you back to sheet number 1. I'm going to remove the change. So change has been removed, as you can see. It is now 25, 4.1, 14, 66. Again on the second sheet it is like this. So this is how we can prepare our award list. And if a teacher knows the Excel sheet and how to insert formulas and how to link two sheets with each other, then it is quite easy to maintain students' data. And as you can see here, some students get 2.5 out of 6, some are getting 1.5 out of 6, and some getting 4 even 1.8 out of 8. It means if student wants to see why he or she is doing bad, so you can show this assessment sheet to the teacher, to the student. But a teacher has to be honest. otherwise it will not be possible. Thank you very much.